The Gaggenau Vario Teppan Yaki 400 series cooks according to Japanese tradition, with optimal heat distribution ensuring gentle and low-fat cooking of vegetables, meat, and fish. For preparing teppanyaki salmon, begin with the ventilation on. For smaller quantities, use a single zone by adjusting the left rotary knob and the temperature using the right control knob. After heating the zone, season the surface with a high-heat cooking oil and carefully add the fish. Use the spatula to add oil back to the fish after 2 to 3 minutes of cooking, or when the outer diameter of the fish has changed color. Carefully flip over onto another spot on the hot zone to avoid sticking to the surface. Continue cooking to sear the fish golden brown. Remove from the cook surface and plate the fish for service.